Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is stepper motor. Here's the code. Here we have first to include a library to control the stepper motor, and then we will define the steps per rotation. So we have here steps 100, and then we need to we need to connect the motor pin to our Arduino, which is digital pin 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will this one right here is to store the last analog reading from the digital pin analog 0. So this one is to calculate the change in sensor value. Then here we have a setup. So we will set the motor speed into a 90 steps per minute. So the lower value means the slower motor, and then the higher value means faster motor. Then in our for loop, I mean loop function, first we need to read the voltage level from the analog pin A0, and then this one right here is the calculation. For example, if the current reading is bigger than the previous motor, I mean the previous one, the motor will rotate forward, and then if the current reading is smaller, the motor rotates backward. And then after that, we'll update the memory. This will save the current value for the next loop comparison. In the next clip, I will show you the output.